So, been proper busy, proper. So, been doing other stuff, haven't really managed to get a video out. So I'm here, I'm ready, I'm raring to go. We're gonna crack on with the bulkhead and what we did in the last video where I made all the panel. Gonna get that welded up, get it all smoothed off, and then we're gonna go back on the outside and get that other panel made up, probably about 4 videos ago. So that's what we're gonna do, that's the plan. Are you ready? I'm ready, let's go. So welded all this bit up here. I don't know why, but I bought this obviously new Evolution belt sander, and it's just ripped 4 belts in a row. I just don't understand why I was doing it. Has anyone else had this trouble? Because they're not cheap, are they? Oh, they've gone. Brilliant. So anyway, if anyone, let me know if you had the same trouble. Would be handy, so I could maybe modify that. I don't know. Appreciate if someone could comment on that. But done that, so I'm going to obviously stop that now, smoothing this bit off. But I've welded all this bit up in here. It's come up really nice actually. It's come up really nice and tidy. I'll get the rest of that sanded off when I get some new belts. But what I'm going to do is come round to the other side, check that out, and as you can see there, I spot welded these off camera to get this in place and nice. I've tapped this into place there, so that's nice there. Look, it's got a nice gap. So I'm going to get all this welded up next, get it on the side and get it all welded up, and then put this other bit in here. I've got to make this other bit up here, and then that's pretty much done this side. And then I can go back with the other panel I made to put back in here to get that bit done, and then chop all that bit out. So yeah, it's getting there. So yeah, we'll crack on getting this bit done now in there, and then we'll go from there. So there you go, all welded in, all smoothed off. Really pleased, it's come up really nice. You can't hardly see, can't see it at all there where I welded it. But yeah, really pleased with that. Haven't done this bit down here because the belt sander I've got no belts left, so I can't do that into these little bits down here. But I mean, that's all in there. But I can get it spun round now and get it on the right way up, and we can start doing the other panel on the other side. So I'll give this a little bit of a primer just to protect it, and then I'll spin it round. Right, let's go. So there you go, all in primer, all smooth, looks really nice. I've just got to get these bits smoothed off here. I'll get some new sanding belts. So yeah, we'll look at the other side. I'll just give it a little bit of a primer. As you can see down there, looks nice. Still got to do that bit obviously as well. But that looks nice up there, all in there. That's nice and solid now. So what I'm going to do next, get me light so I can show you. So yeah, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come up here, see how I've welded all that in there. Looks nice there. I've made this panel, like I said a few videos ago, so that will go in there like so. Get that welded in next. I've smoothed off the other side so it fits in there nice. I've got to shape the bottom bit a little bit for when I get this all welded, get this cut out first and weld it in, and then I'll bend that round to come round to here, but I'll probably just tack it onto there for now. So I'll just get the shape. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. That's in the video. Next one we'll be getting this all tacked and welded in. It won't be as long as that has been, so I'll start getting back down to one a week. So thanks for coming back. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.